Many of the viewers are not yet subscribed. Please like and subscribe if you like the content in my videos. Investments in the market are subject to your own risk. This channel is not liable to the losses you make. In this video, we are covering metal stocks. So there is a lot of news around the globe and high price fluctuations in stock prices previous week. Firstly, we look at the steel index and steel prices, how they rallied in the 6 months. So there is a good up in steel prices in the last 6 months, but just wait, there is a small dip at the corner. So why the steel prices seen a dip in last 3 days? So here is the answer. China to release metal reserves in effort to tame commodities rally. So this was posted by the Wall Street Journal in 3 days back. So what does it mean? The China is going to release its reserves in metals to maintain and reduce the commodities price rallies. So the supply is going to increase. So we all know what if supply increases, automatically the relationship for demand, the demand will be decreased, and further which leads to decrease in price. So this was the reason for a small correction in the prices of metals. So now coming to Indian major metal stocks, they have outperformed in the past 6 months. So they rallied 60 to 100% in the last 6 months. And now with this news and decline in steel prices, we see a slight dip in past 3 days in the Indian metal stocks. As metal stock witnessed huge rally in the past 6 months, and now with this news we may expect small correction of 10 to 15% in the short term. And some of the metal stocks also broke the support levels, so keep an eye this expiry and take the technical calls you wish. So overall, in my opinion, it's better to stay cautious on metal stocks in coming next 1 month. So if you are a long-term investor and if you want to invest for 10 years, so wait for next 2 months and see the COVID concerns, and if the COVID concerns are not that much higher, you can use this correction to buy for next 10 years investment. Thank you for watching this video. Now please share, subscribe and press the bell icon to watch the coming videos.